City. Listen.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lincoln County in central Oklahoma, southeastern McLean County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Pottawatomie County in central Oklahoma, northern Pontotoc County in east central Oklahoma, Seminole County in east central Oklahoma, northwestern Hughes County in southeast Oklahoma, northeastern Garvin County in southern Oklahoma, until 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:44 p.m. Central Standard Time, National Weather Service radar indicated severe thunderstorms along a line extending from 5 miles east of Johnson to 1 to 4 miles west of Wynnewood, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Hazards in the warning include hail up to the size of quarters, wind gusts to 65 miles an hour. Locations in the warning include Ada. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 180